Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor and theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible Quick is believing that or believing in. I hope to teach you something you might not have known before, but please listen and be skeptical and check me and any other Bible teacher out in comparison to what the Bible actually says. So, the topic today, believing that or believing in. There's a difference. The difference between believing that or believing in can be shown by the example of the actions of a man in 1850. A man named Charles Blondin was a daredevil high-wire performer. He stretched a tightrope from the U.S. to Canada across the Niagara Falls. He had a great publicity campaign to trumpet his stunt of walking the tightrope across the falls. Thousands and thousands of people came to watch. The great day came, and with much fanfare, he crossed the falls. Then he did it backwards. Then he did it blindfolded. Then he pushed a wheelbarrow across, and then did that backwards and blindfolded. Oh, my word! He paused the performance and asked the crowd, "Who believes I can do that again?" And all the people shouted their affirmation, we believe you can do it." Again, Charles shouts out to the crowd, "Who believes I could cross with a wheelbarrow with somebody in it?" The crowd again shouted their belief. We believe in you, Charles. We believe you can do it." Finally, Charles shouted out, "Who will get in the wheelbarrow?" The crowd went silent. That's the difference between believing that and believing in. When the Bible talks about belief, it's talking about trusting Jesus with your whole life through the end of your life. Trusting in Him to do for you what you cannot do for yourself. It's all about trusting Jesus. It's always been about trusting in Christ alone. Listen up. This is important stuff.